Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the refill sticker in Instagram story. So here you can start by opening your Instagram apps and go to your story to create one. And here choose a background for your for your Instagram story. Okay, for example, I'm going to use this as the background. And now to add the refill sticker, you can go to the sticker icon at the top, then select these frames options. Then now choose the photos that you want on this sticker. Okay, I'm going to select this one, for example. And here you can add a captions, but this is optional, so you can skip this part if you don't want to. And adjust the size to your liking, adjust the frame. Now you can just upload the story. So I'm going to show you how it will look like to your followers. Okay, it's still uploading. Okay, so as you guys can see here, this is the refill sticker. So your followers need to tap or shake the your story to reveal the photo, and after that it will be shown just like this. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.